Hello everybody, this is a mukbang doing the mukbang challenge chicken broccoli and rice as you see, and I also got a salad with see, good combination tonight. So, trying to eat a little healthy, but the way these health problems and stuff is going. But anywho, hope y'all like my mukbang. Thanks for the subscribers, likes, and comments this year. Appreciate everybody looking at my videos, whatever. Again, comment likes down below. Tell me what you think or whatever. And be your girl, shot to be. Back at you again in the cut or whatever. Hope y'all have a good day, good weekend. I am just chilling. Again, let's go ahead and start this mukbang. Hmm? Piece of lettuce. Got it.